Hello everyone, welcome back to CS Psycho. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of installing Linux Mint LMDE 6 as a virtual machine in VMware. LMDE, or Linux Mint Debian Edition, is a fantastic Linux distribution for those who prefer Debian-based systems. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we need is the Linux Mint LMDE 6 ISO file. You can find the download link in the description below. Once you're on the Linux Mint LMDE 6 download page, select your preferred country and download from a mirror. The download may take a while depending on your internet speed. Now let's open VMware Workstation and create a new virtual machine to install Linux Mint LMDE 6. If you don't have VMware Workstation installed in your PC, then the step-by-step process of installing VMware is given in the description below. Click on Create New Virtual Machine and browse for the ISO file. Click on Next and select Ubuntu 64 as your Linux version. Now allocate disk space for your virtual machine. We recommend at least 20 GB. Click on Finish and go to Edit Virtual Machine Settings. You can allocate more cores and RAM for your virtual machine depending on your system specifications. After allocating, click OK and start your virtual machine. Here you should select the first option, Start LMDE. In the desktop, you can find an icon, Install Linux Mint. Double-click on that icon and begin the actual installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language, keyboard layout, and partitioning options. Provide your user information and set a strong password. The installation will take some time. Once it's finished, you'll be prompted to remove the installation media. Just press Enter when they ask. Reboot your virtual machine by clicking on Yes. Now the Linux Mint is visible only in small screen. Our next step is to maximize this small window to a full screen window. For maximizing, select Player option on the top left corner. Select Manage and install VMware tools. After clicking on Install VMware Tools, you can find a new VMware Tools icon in the home screen. Double-click on the icon to open the file. Drag and drop the zip file in the folder to home screen, right-click, and extract here. After extracting the zip file, open the extracted folder and open Terminal from the folder by right-click from the folder and selecting Terminal from the menu. Type sudo // vmware install.pl, hit enter and give permission to install by giving your password. Now the terminal will ask different question. For every question you should hit enter to choose default. You are all set now. Reboot your LMDE to apply the new changes. After reboot, click on the full screen mode icon in the top to make the window full screen. Everything looks fine now. Let's check the internet connection also. Okay, the internet is also working fine. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Linux Mint LMDE 6 in VMware. You now have a fully functional Linux Mint Debian Edition virtual machine ready for use. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tech tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.